In this video, how to get job on LinkedIn for students. I will show you step by step how students can get a job using LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, click your profile picture to open your profile. Now, click Edit Profile to complete your information. Add your school, college, or current course. Include your skills in the Skills section. You can also add academic projects or experience. Having a complete profile increases your chances of being found by recruiters. Now go to the top menu of the platform. Click the option called Jobs. In the search bar, type the type of job you want. For example, search internship, trainee, or student job. Enter the location if needed. Press Enter to see available job listings. Now use filters to find beginner-friendly positions. Select experience level such as entry level or internship. Click on a job suitable for students. Read the job description carefully. Check the requirements requested by the company. If the job fits your profile, click Apply or Easy Apply. Fill in the requested information in the form. Upload your resume if required. Review all the information before submitting. Now click Submit to send your application. You can also enable job alerts. Click Job Alerts to receive new opportunities. This helps increase your chances of getting a job as a student on LinkedIn.